You understand English when you listen, but when someone asks you a question, your mind goes blank. You freeze. You translate in your head. You worry about mistakes. Today, that changes. Welcome back to day 2 of Speak Up Sessions English podcast, where we don't just learn English, we speak English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Up Sessions English podcast. I'm Ruchika, your English teacher and friend. If you're watching this right now, I'm so proud of you. You came back for day 2. That means you're serious about speaking English fluently, and that's amazing. Today, we're going to practice 99 real English sentences that you can use every single day. We'll talk, we'll listen, we'll repeat, and most importantly, we'll build your confidence. And I'm not alone today. My friend Gio is here with me. Gio, how are you feeling today?
Hi, Ruchika. Hi, everyone. To be honest, I'm a little nervous. Yesterday was day 1 and I learned a lot, but I still feel like I can't speak quickly. My brain, it translates everything first, like someone says, "How are you?" And I think in my language first, then I try to say it in English. It's slow.
Gio, that is so normal. Actually, most English learners do exactly the same thing. But here's the good news. The more you practice speaking, the less you translate. Your brain starts thinking in English naturally, and that's exactly what we're doing today. We're training your brain with real conversations, real sentences, and real-life situations. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Let's do this. Perfect. All right, everyone, grab your headphones, sit comfortably, and let's start speaking English together. Don't worry about mistakes. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy. Let's go. Okay, Gio, let's start with something simple. Imagine we just met today. I'm going to ask you some basic questions, and you answer naturally. Don't think too much, just speak. Ready?
Okay, I'll try.
Good morning, Gio. How are you today?
Good morning, Ruchika. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. So tell me, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I study English. I watch video and I eat dinner with my family.
Awesome. Okay, Gio, listen. You did great, but let me help you sound more natural. When we talk about yesterday, we use the past tense. So instead of I study, we say I studied. Instead of I watch, we say I watched. And instead of I eat, we say I ate. Let's try again. What did you do yesterday?
Oh, okay. Yesterday I studied English. I watched a video and I ate dinner with my family.
Perfect. See? That sounds so natural now. You're already improving. Speak to yourself. Speak third. Practice today's sentences out loud. Speak to yourself. Speak to a friend. Speak to your pet. Just speak. Fourth, share this video with someone who's learning English. Help them grow too. And finally, believe in yourself. You are capable. You are strong. You will speak English fluently. Tomorrow, we'll meet again for day 3. We'll learn even more, practice even more, and grow even more together. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for not giving up. This is Speak Up Sessions English podcast. I'm Ruchika, and I'll see you tomorrow. Keep speaking, keep believing, keep shining. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.